What's going on YouTube? So today is another video. Haven't done videos for a while, I've been super busy with work and stuff, but today is an unboxing of a new tool that I will be using in my daily workflow, daily life. So super pumped. Let's get into it. I'm going to be super careful with it. We've gone for it. So first thing, little clue. And then if we get onto the main package itself. Guys, do you see what I see? Oh, hell no. Look at that. So guys, this is an iPad Pro. It is the 12.9 inch display, HDR, the 2021 model. It's got the M1 chip built in. And I'm holding it in my hands, and I just want to say first of all, I've never ever owned an iPad. I've always been intrigued by them, never ever had a reason to have one because I use everything on my phone, notes, whatever, and it's only lately that I've been wanting to go a little bit more paperless and be able to have a pencil and sign everything. So yeah, I have indeed got the pencil as well. Pumped to get that open. So yeah. We're going to open it, we're going to have a little look, going to set it up, and just kind of, I am so happy. Oh, hello. Oh, I mean the box just feels nice, and then obviously we can do the wow. Are you getting this? Lift this out. Wow. First of all, first thought, I've never ever held one. Obviously this is the latest version. I've never held one. I've never had it in my hands. So obviously what else that comes with, we've got the little booklet that Apple provide. Little pull tab, instructions. Do you get any stickers, I wonder? Looks for, isn't it? Stickers. We've got some stickers. We've got some Apple stickers. Check them out. We'll be sticking them down somewhere. Got a little instruction manual. The little pin. So I have gone for the 5G version. So I have got a SIM. That's what this was. So I am going to put the SIM inside. Means I get 2 gigabytes of data every month. Cool. We've also got the USB-C to USB-C, and we've also got the new brick as well. Oh wow. What? What? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I could do this all day. What? That is Look, as you pull one down, they all snap into place. How amazing is that? How satisfying is that? Okay, moving on. Mate, what a day. So let's open this up. I think we're going to go from this tab here. Oh, hello. Are you getting this on? This is on video. I'm gonna put fingerprints in the glass. I don't want to put fingerprints in the glass. Aha. Wow. That's mad. I need to get a case for this ASAP. I will order one tonight. Come on. Wow, look. It's got 74% battery. Do you remember the days where you used to get something home and you'd have to charge it for 6 hours before you play with it? 74% battery in this. Wow. This is big, man. United Kingdom. Choose a Wi-Fi. Let's do the Wi-Fi real quick. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Really? A few minutes? Okay, let's just leave that to do its thing, and we'll unbox this little gizmo. Oh. Is this the same? I think this is a slide. Yeah, it's got a pull tab. What? Of course, it's covered by the manual. Oh, there it is. Manual. Don't really need the manual. We can take this out. Wow, that is crazy. I would have, I don't know, I would have thought it would have felt so crazy. I don't know. I don't know. I can't talk. This is £120, but it's a device that will serve you so well, whether you're writing or drawing or colouring or colour grading or video editing, photo editing, everything. Wow. And it's so... Right guys, that is it for my video. I'm not going to talk any more about it and bore you to death. I will be doing some later videos and stuff about it, but that is it for me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more, because I will be updating about my journey of the iPad. I think I've covered everything. I'm going to put the SIM in, I'm going to download the apps, I'm going to get going with it, and you can check out my Instagram as well for some content that I'll be posting and stuff. Oh, the plug doesn't fit in your pocket? Oh, it does now. You mean these kind of get in the way when you put it in your bag? Not anymore.